So guys, you want to see how to install your cylinder head with only the use of a screwdriver, flathead? I'm sure you do. I only have one ring left. As you can see, I can't just hit it in there. I think you can see the ring. Yeah. I already did the other two, so I don't know how clear this video will be of me doing this. But it can be done. You just have to push in, and as you're pushing in, squeeze in the ring, push in, keep your pressure on it, otherwise you'll lose it. There we go. It's almost in there. Almost completely in there. There we go. It's in there. See that? It's completely in there. When you lack the resources, you gotta improvise. Give that a thumbs up. Sorry it wasn't more clear. It's just, I don't know, I'm the only person here. But yeah, it works.